Resto Mod to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1965 Chrysler Newport New Yorker, two-door hardtop. More modern drivetrain in this one. Check this out. 392 Hemi underneath the hood, paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission, of course, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and check out the front chrome grille, headlight surrounds. Previous owner stated there's approximately 20,000 miles in the drivetrain of this vehicle between engine and tranny. As you can see, this paint has a nice shine, reflection in it. You want to take your time looking through the still pictures. Check out the underside, interior, engine bay. You'll be able to look through some of the things I'm talking about in this video. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Engine and tranny are out of a 2019 Challenger, as you can see by the wheels. Look at how nice and straight this is. Previous owner also states original sheet metal. You can see how straight that is. Custom interior, bucket seats, center console, push button start, as you can see down in the center console there with the shifter. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at the interior. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Coming around to the rear, dual exhaust. Take a look at the rear chrome. Just a couple little spots where there's been a little touch-up paint right back here. A few of them there, if you can kind of see it. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. You can see Hotchkiss sport suspension components on the underside of this car. The rear ends, Dana 391 gears. This does have 4-wheel disc brakes. Let's take a peek down the driver's side here. QA1 shocks. Also power windows and power locks. Look at how straight that is, those long panels. Looking good with that two-tone silver and black. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Like I said, we're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Those power windows and power locks. So vinyl cloth combination as far as the seats go. Not showing much wear at all. Headliner also looking good. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. So, turn the key to on. Push button. Sure, we're in neutral. Cool dash on these. That torpedo look. Aftermarket tack is working. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Nicely, and nothing crazy over the top or exhaust, just a good sounding car. But you get this out on the road, open it up, it definitely comes alive. There's no doubt about that. And you just don't see these every day either. Alright, slip up to the front. I'm going to go ahead and get this hood open, check out the engine bay. We'll wrap up this video. And the underside of the hood. There it is, 392 Hemi V8 power, again out of a 2019 Challenger, approximately 20,000 miles in the drivetrain. Aluminum radiator, electric fan, cold air intake, K&N filter, power steering, power brakes, AC, sounds good, looks good. Imagine how much fun this thing's got to be to drive. Good one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Have some fun. Get in it and go. 1965 Chrysler Newport New Yorker. Well, Resto Mod. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Chrysler Newport New Yorker. This is equipped with a late model engine and a 6-speed manual. Lots of power for this car. Aftermarket tack on the dash is working, speedometer is working. Fuel gauge is reading just about E. The alternator is right in the middle of the gauge. Under the dash we have a water gauge reading about 140 and oil pressure at about 65. Smooth ride, comfortable seats. If I let go of the wheel, she stays right in the lane, nice and straight. Really like the pistol grip shift. This car has a good exhaust sound.